everyone, welcome back to Coding with Sagarika. Today we'll be solving a fun coding challenge, reversing a string without using any built-in functions. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. So here's the problem. You're given a string, and your goal is to reverse it manually. For example, if the input string is hello, the output should be ole. Seems simple, right? But remember, we can't use Python's built-in functions like slicing or reversed. This will help us understand string manipulation better and strengthen our programming fundamentals. Now, let's talk about the approach before we jump into the code. Here's the plan. We'll take the input string from the user. Then we'll loop through the string in reverse order. As we iterate, we'll build the reverse string step by step by adding each character to a new variable. With this approach, we'll manually reverse the string without relying on shortcuts. All right, let's write the code together. Let me explain this step by step. First, we take input from the user and store it in the variable string. Next, we initialize an empty string called reversed string. This is where we'll store the characters of the reverse string as we loop through. The key part here is the for loop. We use the range function to iterate through the string backward. Len string -1 gives us the index of the last character, and -1 specifies that we move in reverse. For every iteration, we pick a character from the original string and add it to reversed string. Finally, once the loop completes, we print the reverse string, and that's it. Let's test this with an example. I'll input Python. When we run the code, the output is naughty p. Perfect. The string has been reversed without using any built-in functions. You can try this with different strings, like coding or Sagarika, and the program will work perfectly. So, wasn't that fun? This is a great exercise to improve your understanding of loops and string manipulation. Now it's your turn. Try writing and running this code yourself. And if you can think of any alternate approaches, share them in the comments below. I'd love to see your ideas. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Coding with me. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting coding challenge. Until then, happy coding and bye-bye.